Good day, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again, and there is a little commotion with regards to Dialux Evo software now, because recently I commented or posted this one in my Facebook page, and I said I cannot comment on the new Dialux Evo now. Just don't uninstall your old Dialux Evo software. I said this one because there are so many people asking me what happened to the Evo because it's now a paid software and they are worried that they cannot use the software anymore for free. So yeah, they posted some value or the amount of the software here. But then after 2 days, I think. Yeah, 2 days. I said it seems I can't also log into my Dialux Evo account because yes, I cannot open my Dialux Evo and I need to log in and I keep on logging in, but I cannot log in. So, what is the reason of that? Is because I keep using my Dialux Evo 11. I did not upgrade my Dialux Evo yet because I am worried about the glitches. Because previously there are lots of glitches every time Dialux Evo is updated. So, what I did is I just installed the Dialux Evo 12 after reading the newsletters from Dialux. And I found out that there's no really problem with our software. So it means that the lighting designers and the architects and electrical engineers can still use the software for free. The only problem now is not the users, but the manufacturers who are not members yet. So good news for us, we can still use and utilize Dialux Evo 12 software, like what I have right now. I'm using the Dialux Evo 12 now. I downloaded and installed the newest version. Okay, so I think it's okay because I cannot experience glitches until now, like 3 hours ago. Okay, so guys, don't forget, go now and download this software. Just go to www.dialux.com/engbid/download/dialux and you can download it for free. So it's still free and it's a good news. And let's go and yes, keep using it because it is still free for us lighting designers. Thank you so much, Dialux Ibu, for this one. And I really commented and grateful about what you are doing right now. Good thing I'm not a manufacturer or supplier. I'm a designer. So thank you so much. So guys, just install the Dialux Evo 12. It's okay. It's free and no worries. We don't pay anything for now. All right. So see you again on the next video. I will check what is the upgrade for this Dialux Evo 12. I haven't used it for a while because I'm so busy using AGI 32 because of Becca Schroeder's project. They want always AGI 32. So now I'm going to use it more frequently because I am not connected to Becca Schroeder now. All right. So yes, see you again on the next video. Bye.